Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Rakuten Advertising for US affiliate campaigns. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Rakuten Advertising website. Log into your account using your registered email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Advertisers section in the main dashboard. Select the specific advertiser you wish to work with for your affiliate campaigns. Click on the Programs tab to view the available affiliate programs. Look for the program that aligns with your niche and goals. Click on the program to access its details and requirements. Review the terms and conditions carefully for the specific program. If the program meets your expectations, click on the Join Program button. You might be prompted to provide additional information, such as your website or promotional methods. Fill in the required fields accurately and completely. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email. Wait for the advertiser to review and approve your application. Once approved, log back into your Rakuten Advertising account. Go to the Links and Banners section. Here, you can find various creative assets for your selected program. Select and copy the affiliate links that you want to use in your campaigns. Make sure to save these links in a document for easy access. Now, you can start promoting the affiliate products on your platforms. Track your performance by checking the Reports section regularly. This will help you optimize future campaigns based on your results. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.